Hi, this is Jay from LifeRx agency. And if you are a professional manual therapist in Los Angeles area, this is video for you because I know how how massage therapists struggle in 2025. Marketing, customer base, booking system, and all this is take a lot of time and a lot of money from you. So we are a massage agency group which has put a lot of massage therapists and help them out with the marketing, with the advertising, also with the client base and the booking. We're managing, we're teaching, we're educated, and this is our mission. I have a David who joined us just, David, 7 months ago?
Yeah, that's
7 months ago. Come on over here. I want just, what you got?
Oh, I just got some extra money that I made.
Exactly. He made this money just yesterday, $900. That's how much he make. Because David have a talented hands, and we have clients for him in Beverly Hills who hire David. How you gonna? Give me half. Give me half. Okay. We always take a half. So I'm just kidding. So what's this video all about? If you truly want to grow your practice, want to do some income, this is team for you. This is agency for you. So join us, watch our channel. We on Patreon, YouTube, and if you want to know more, give us a call, text us. The phone number is below. Also apply to our agency. I will leave the link below. And welcome to our team. We'd be glad to have you here to work together and make money as a David. Thank David. Are you happy with us?
Oh, yes, very happy.
You see, David happy. If David happy, everyone happy, trust me. So fill this form. We'll see you soon.